My name is Gottfried Konecny. I'm a professor of medicine and obstetrics and gynecology at UCLA. I primarily take care of patients diagnosed with ovarian, endometrial, or cervical cancer. As a busy clinical investigator, I conduct many clinical trials and help develop new cancer treatments for women diagnosed with cancer. I would like to take this opportunity to briefly explain what clinical research is about and how it's done, and introduce you to UCLA's clinical trial program available for women diagnosed with ovarian, endometrial, or cervical cancer. We explore the safety and activity of new cancer treatments primarily through clinical trials. Trials are basically designed to specifically answer questions such as, can the new treatment shrink tumors or prevent them from growing? Does the new treatment help you live longer? What is the safe dose? What are the side effects? Does the new treatment allow a better quality of life with fewer side effects? Moreover, many newer treatments require patients to have their tumors molecularly characterized to see if treatments targeting specific changes might work better for them than standard care treatments. For a treatment to become widely accepted and FDA approved, it must go through a series of steps called phases. Now, phase 1 studies are done first and are the smaller ones, include usually 15 to 30 patients, and they're intended to find a safe dose, to decide how the new treatment should be given and understand its side effects. Phase 2 studies are larger and include usually less than 100 patients, and they're intended to more accurately determine the efficacy and learn more about the side effects. Lastly, Phase 3 studies are larger and include from 100 to up to several thousand patients, and they're intended to compare new treatments with the currently available best standard of care treatment. Now, in Phase 3 studies, randomization is often used. If you take part in such a trial, you will be assigned either by chance to an investigational group or a control group. Your assignment will be determined with a computer program or a table of random numbers. If you're assigned to the control group, you will get the most widely accepted treatment for your cancer. If you're assigned to the investigational group, you will receive the new treatment being tested. Now, randomization is a process used to prevent bias, and bias occurs when trial results are affected by human choices or other factors that are not related to the treatment being tested. Clinical trials also follow a protocol that explains in detail what the trial will do, how the study will be carried out. A clinical protocol basically provides you with the following information: the reason the study is being done, who can join, how many patients are needed, are any other treatments given during the trial, what medical tests will be done, what types of information will be collected. These protocol criteria help ensure your safety. You will also receive medical tests during the screening phase to be sure that you are not at any increased risk by participating in the trial. These protocol criteria also help us to ensure accurate and meaningful study results. You may not be able to join some clinical trials if you've already had another kind of treatment for your cancer. Otherwise, doctors could not be sure whether your results were due to the treatment being studied or due to the efficacy of earlier treatments. At UCLA, groundbreaking research allows us to offer some of the most innovative clinical trials and treatments for women diagnosed with ovarian, endometrial, and cervical cancer. Our clinical trials incorporate state-of-the-art patient care while evaluating the most recent developments in cancer medicine. When you decide to take part in a clinical trial, you add to our knowledge about cancer, but importantly, you help improve cancer care for future patients. Clinical trials are truly the key to making progress against cancer. The clinical trials available at UCLA offer hope for many and give us an opportunity to find better solutions and treatments for others in the future. Thank you.